WEMS Basic Redaction allows you to manually blur objects or subjects in your videos. From the video preview page, click on Redact, and then select Basic Redaction. It'll bring up the video player, and from here you'll have the instructions on the right side, and on the left is where you'll draw those selections over subjects, in this case, to blur them out of your video. So to get started, simply use your mouse to select the subject you'd like to blur out. And from here you can go frame by frame, as instructed here on the right. Use your left and right keys to move frame by frame. And now you can just readjust the selection to make sure it's always over that subject's face. You can also hit play to play the video in real time, and just keep an eye on it to make sure that it's always covering the subject's face. If you need to make adjustments, you can do so with the mouse. You can also increase the size or shrink the size. Once you're satisfied with that selection, you can go ahead and hit save at the top left here. Once the video is completed, your new copy of that video, the original, is going to appear under My Videos. We'll go over to that page for now just to take a look at it. You see it's right here at the top. Now let's preview our redacted video.